Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into the beauty and benefits of a backyard gravel walkway ideas. Get inspired by our top 10 ideas and learn how to create a stunning outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A backyard gravel walkway is more than just a path leading to your back door. It's a versatile and aesthetically pleasing addition that can enhance the overall appeal of your outdoor space. In this video, we'll delve into the world of backyard gravel walkways, exploring their meaning, benefits, decorative possibilities, and maintenance tips. A backyard gravel walkway is a pathway constructed using gravel as the primary material. Gravel is a loose aggregate of small, rounded stones, available in various sizes and colors. It's a popular choice for walkways due to its durability, low maintenance, and natural appearance. There are several advantages to opting for a backyard gravel walkway. Here are some of the benefits of choosing a backyard gravel as walkway options. First, durability. Gravel is a resilient material that can withstand heavy foot traffic and harsh weather conditions. Second, low maintenance. Unlike paved walkways, gravel walkways require minimal upkeep, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. Third, natural appearance. Gravel's organic look blends seamlessly with natural surroundings, creating a harmonious and inviting outdoor space. Fourth, versatility. Gravel walkways can be customized to suit various styles and preferences, from rustic to modern. Fifth, cost-effective. Compared to other materials like concrete or pavers, gravel is generally more affordable. Decorating your backyard gravel walkway can elevate its aesthetic appeal. Here are some ideas for decorating your backyard gravel walkway to look good and beautiful. First, bordering. Define the edges of your walkway with natural stones, bricks, or wooden planks. Second, planting. Add color and texture by planting flowers, shrubs, or grasses along the sides of the walkway. Third, lighting. Illuminate your walkway with solar-powered lanterns or string lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, water features. Incorporate a small fountain, pond, or stream to add a soothing element to your outdoor space. Fifth, outdoor seating. Place comfortable chairs or benches along the walkway to provide a relaxing spot to enjoy your backyard. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 best backyard gravel walkway decor design ideas. 1. Rustic stone edging. Create a timeless and classic look by framing your gravel walkway with natural stone slabs. These rugged stones add a touch of rustic charm and provide a sturdy border for your path. 2. Colorful flower beds. Enhance the visual appeal of your gravel walkway by planting vibrant flowers on either side. Choose plants that complement your garden's overall color scheme and bloom throughout the season. 3. Serpentine path. Add a touch of whimsy to your backyard with a winding, serpentine path made of gravel. This design can create a more organic and interesting feel, especially in larger gardens. 4. Gravel patio. Extend your gravel walkway into a spacious patio area for outdoor dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing. This creates a cohesive and inviting outdoor space. 5. Japanese garden inspired. Channel the serene beauty of a Japanese garden by incorporating gravel, rocks, and carefully placed plants. Use raked gravel to create patterns and textures, and add elements like stepping stones or a small bridge. 6. Mediterranean style. Capture the essence of a Mediterranean villa by incorporating terracotta pots, olive trees, and fragrant herbs. This style works well in warm climates and creates a relaxed, inviting atmosphere. 7. Modern minimalist. For a clean and contemporary look, opt for a straight, unadorned gravel path. Keep the landscaping minimal and focus on clean lines and simple shapes. 8. Pebble mosaic. Create a unique and artistic design by using pebbles of different colors and sizes to form a mosaic pattern. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your walkway. 9. Gravel hopscotch. Add a touch of whimsy and nostalgia to your backyard by creating a gravel hopscotch grid. This is a fun and interactive activity for children and adults alike. 10. Gravel Zen Garden. Design a peaceful and meditative space with raked gravel, rocks, and a small bridge. This style is perfect for those seeking tranquility and relaxation in their backyard. For last but not least, to keep your gravel walkway looking its best, follow these maintenance tips for maintaining your backyard gravel walkway in best good condition. First, regular weeding. Remove weeds that grow between the gravel stones. Second, top up gravel. Periodically add more gravel to replace any that has been lost due to erosion or foot traffic. Third, prevent washed out gravel. If you live in an area with heavy rainfall, consider using a permeable paver base to prevent the gravel from being washed away. A backyard gravel walkway can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional area. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can create a walkway that complements your home style and enhances your enjoyment of your backyard. Are you ready to create a stunning backyard gravel walkway? Start by planning your design, selecting the right gravel, and gathering the necessary materials. Remember to consider your budget, lifestyle, and desired aesthetic when making your choices. For more inspiration and ideas, visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, where you'll find a wealth of resources on home decor and landscaping. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.